In this video, we're going to understand the relationship between the graph of a function and the sign of its second derivative. It says the graph of f of x is given below. On what intervals is the second derivative negative? So the second derivative is going to determine, so we're going to say that it determines concavity. And this would be an example of a function that is, this would be concave down. And this would be an example of a function that is concave up. So when we're looking at this graph here, all we have to do to figure out whether or not this the second derivative is positive or negative, so we just need to look for a concave up and concave down. So they say f double prime of x is negative. Well, concave down means negative for f double prime, and positive for concave up. That's when f double prime is positive. So right now, this is concave up. So I'm just going to kind of write this here. This is up. And then this point is an inflection point. And then we have concave down. And then we have another inflection point. And then this would be concave up. And then we would have another inflection point. And then we have concave down. So anywhere that we're concave down, we're going to have a negative value for the second derivative. That would occur between the x values of -4. So we're going to say -4 to -2. Union, and then that would be down from x equal 1 to infinity. So that's how we determine whether or not the second derivative is negative or positive for that matter, using the graph of f of x.